Excuse me, ladies. I've been told by these handsome gentlemen over here that you're the traveling crew. Tell us something about the traveling crew. We don't know much about it, and we want to know. Everybody's shy.
We're a group of friends that have met vacationing about 6 years ago, and now we travel together every year.
That's
every
lovely.
year. We go to a lot of reuse. She's a newbie.
Okay.
She's a
That's
newbie.
why she's shy.
This is OG.
Okay.
We're all OG.
Okay.
And here's our sign, Destination Vacation Crew.
Real nice. And where's your next vacation? Haven't planned it yet. You're coming. All right. So RIU Aquarelle again.
You gonna give us a good deal to come back?
I don't
As a
work
group
here.
of
I'm an
22?
independent. I'm an independent. But I'm
Talk to
covering
the
it.
people.
And if they see this and like it, they're gonna give you a discount.
We
They
love
should.
RIU. We do love RIU.
Say it again.
We love RIU.
Say it again. Say it again.
We love RIU.
Okay. This way. Yes, we
This
love
way.
you.
Yeah, we
All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Sweet. That was good. You came out straight like that. Yeah, you can see you're good at it, man.
Down in Portmore, on the island vibes we roll. Jamaican sun, feel it warming up your soul. Sipping coconut water, catching the Jamaican breeze. In the YouTube world that bring us sweet relief. The guys from Portmore spreading laughter and cheer. With every video they make the world draw near. From mukbangs to challenges, they keep the good times flowing. With the witty banter, smiles keep on growing. Vibing with Portmore, feeling irate. Watching their videos, setting our spirits free. Jamming and laughing with every episode. Vibing with Portmore, it's the way it goes. Down in Portmore, on the island vibes we roll. Jamaican sun, feel it warming up the soul.
This one is the first one. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, but that one's just straight down. Yeah.
Guys from Portmore, spreading laughter and cheer. With every video they make the world draw near.
I don't know, just what you gonna do.
Welcome to Jamaica, man.
All right. And she's gonna speed off. So watch her speed it off. All right. Yeah. Like this. All right.
Vibing with Portmore, it's the way it goes.
I wanted to wind it. Should I reach it? Oh, just landed. Just landed. Big up yourself, boss.
Down in Portmore, on the island vibes we roll. Jamaican sun, feel it warming up your soul. Sipping coconut water, catching the.
1 Listen, for all of you who have kids, we haven't left you out, all right? There is a water park for kids, and you can just bring the toddlers along, and they'll have wonderful fun. So remember, we're not leaving you out, we're not forgetting you. RIU has you covered for the water park for kids.
Down in Portmore, on the island vibes we roll. Jamaican sun, feel it warming up your soul. Sipping coconut water, catching the Jamaican breeze. In the YouTube world, they're bringing sweet relief. The guys from Portmore, spreading laughter and cheer. With every video, they make the world draw near. From mukbangs to challenges, they keep the good times flowing. With their witty banter, our smiles keep on growing. Vibing with Volleyball, we're feeling irie. Watching their videos, setting our spirits free. Jamming and laughing with every episode. Vibing with Portmore, it's the way to go. Down in Portmore, on the island vibes we roll. Jamaican sun, feel it warming up your soul. Sipping coconut water, catching the Jamaican breeze.
What?
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
How are you guys? You guys doing good?
Yeah, we're doing good.
Awesome. Loving it. Good morning.
All right, just put it right here for me.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, thanks. Yeah, go in here and just set them up. Yeah, yes, not bad. Not bad. Because sun will catch you though. Hmm? Oh. Yeah. Funny, you can't cut the music that coming on the background sound tonight. May I get that copyright thing?
I know we work for real.
No, I don't work for real. I'm independent.
I've been moving.
Oh,
Are they automatically in your soul?
out of the thing there? I might can't get away with it.
You need to follow our group. There's 22 of us here. We're called the Destination Vacation Group.
And you have a YouTube channel out?
No, we don't. We should have a
Yeah, you should have a YouTube. All right, well, you're on being recorded right now. So anything you can say about her?
Monique, absolutely the best bartender.
Monique, she pours them up good.
All right.
For the DVK crew.
For the BBK crew. And what does BBK mean?
Destination Vacation Crew.
All right, I love that. So you guys just travel. The best thing you can do is travel.
Ask all those girls over there what the name of their group is and they'll tell you.
Okay, all right.
Group sitting over there.
Well, no problem. Well, you can probably do an introduction with me shortly.
Yeah.
All right. Good morning. Come here, pick up yourself. Can you see much thing?
Yeah. Welcome home. Welcome to Jamaica. And make sure you guys are here for fun, alright? Money, peace, love.
All right. Yeah. Big bartender, people. So when you come to RIU Aquarelle, who you going to ask for? Who you going to ask
One
for?
Monique, or you can say Bubbles,
All
right?
right. Bubbles.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, pray for one on.
Come again. You gotta go again. Someone else already has number. You gotta get a different number. The number's already taken. You cannot get it. Oh, you love number 1, but it's already taken, Igor. Oh, jeez. Now we know which number might be out the game real quick. All right, so Igor, you are now number 6. Number 6 with 3 lives. All right, Igor? Yeah, man. Who's next? Who want to play? Anybody else? You gonna play? Come on over, my friend. What's your name? Alex. All right, Alex. Let's see. What number will you choose? I don't know either, but we're gonna find out. Number 4. You are number 4, Alex. 3 lives with number 4. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna start the game. Remember, you gotta aim for all the numbers that's on the list except your number. Okay. Now, we got Denise. Where's Denise?
Right here.
Come on, Denise, you're starting things off. Now remember, you are number 19. Do not hit number 19. You're aiming for number 1, number 4, number 20, number 15, and number 6. Aim for all the other numbers except your number. All right, let's see. Bam! Oh my gosh! Wow, who were you aiming for?
Try again.
Here we go.
Oh,
nice.
Look at that! But that's nobody right here. Come on now. Oh, she almost hit 1. All right, next up we got Gloria. Gloria, come on up.
Gloria, it's now your turn.
Gloria's
Don't
a
worry,
pro.
we got it. We're
Gloria's
gonna
a
fix
pro.
it. Don't worry. Gloria,
All right, so
you're number 1, so you're aiming for 19, number 4, number 20, number 15, and number 6. Which number can you eliminate, Gloria? I don't know. Remember, 3 lives come with each number. Ooh, that's number 15. Number 15 just lost 1 life. Ay. Mark off 1 right there. All right, 1 life lost. Go ahead. Continue. You gotta keep going. That's why you got 3 darts. Bam! Oh, wow. Number 12. Who was number 12? Nobody. Go ahead again. Go ahead, Gloria. Come on, let's go. Oh, number 11, but still nobody. But
Gloria
hey,
is the pro.
I don't know. You just lost 1 life. Next up, we got Alex. Alex, you ready?
Okay. Alex the man.
Let's go, Alex.
Alex, remember, you are number 4. All right, so you're now aiming for 19, number 1, number 15, number 20, and number 6. He goes for number 20, but he went too high. He goes again, still didn't get anything. 7 is not on there. Ooh, Alex. I don't think number 20 is gonna be too happy. That's Ricardo, and he is next. Oh my gosh, Alex. Yeah,
Go on, Ricky.
Now, Ricardo,
Go on,
remember,
King.
you are number 20. You're going for number 19, number 1, number 4, number 15, and number 6. I will not tell you what number your lady is. Oh, number 2, but nobody got number 2 on
Someone
there.
show that, you know.
Let's see. Come on, now your birthday, man. Bam!
Someone show that, man.
Ooh, that was close. Number 5, but nobody got number 5.
5 again.
Is that number 5? Yes. Oh, number 12 lost a life. Yeah, man. Who was number 12 is not on here. It's not on here. Sad to say.
No, there's not doing cancels. No cancels.
Nice.
Yeah, 6-3. On that round. We do speed scoring here. Yeah, but they said we had 6. We got 2 green and they got a green. Oh, you got 2 in. Oh, so 6-6. 6-6.
We had 3 on 1 got 6.
Oh, no, 6-6.
I'm not. I'm just talking about the one inside.
We got 2 in.
Yeah.
2 in?
Yeah, 3 had 2 in.
So 6-6.
I'm gonna try it. What's the score?
6. I'm gonna have it.
He's gonna add it up. We're gonna know the score before you guys ready again. One more for me, please. Yeah, man!
That's not what it is, right?
So
the scores are 11 to 10.
Whoa, that's close.
So green is at 10 and blue is at 11.
You're running around so much, I'm sweating.
Yo! Come on!
Oh, okay.
Come on! Blue, green, ready to go. Ready. Oh. Come on.
Yes.
Come on.
We like
Ready.
Stop recording.
Yeah, man! Ready to go! Ready! Oh, 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 oh. Come on!
Yes.
Come on!
Come
Go!
on. We like
Ready, 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 ready.